Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is gonna be this bob, girl. Let's get into it. Okay, first let me show you guys the packaging. Came in this orange box with some combs, adjustable straps, wig cap, and some flexi rods. So here's the wig straight out the box. It have combs and adjustable straps. This is a lace frontal unit, so you do have 6 inches parting space in the middle, and then you have about 2 inches parting space on the sides. Okay, so the first thing I like to do is prep my hair by pressing down all of my flyaways, and then I will section out a thin layer in the front so that I can spray my adhesive in between the parts. And for me, I find that it makes my wigs last a little bit longer. And now I'm just going to cut the lace. I like to cut it, a little jagged so it's not too wiggish looking. And now we're going to go ahead and install it. I'm using my Got To Be Glued freeze spray. And I just like to spray that in between. So I'm just doing that every section, spray, blow dry, until I have the front completely done. And by me doing it this way, like I said, I find that my wigs last a lot longer doing it this way. All right, so everything looked good. Now I will go ahead and put a part down the middle. I will show you how it looks with the side part as well later on. I'm using my wax stick again to make sure I get all of the flyaways down. And plus, this is going to help me get my wig as flat as possible. Now, I am using a wand curler here because your girl was being lazy and didn't feel like fooling with a hot comb. But if you want your wig and your installs to be super flat and neat, definitely use a hot comb. I definitely need to go to the hair store and invest in a hot comb that actually plug into the wall, because the one with the stove, baby, it be doing the most and you gotta watch it a bit too much. So yeah, now at the top on each side, I'm just going to pluck it a bit, because as you can see, this wig is a really thick, so I did pluck that a little bit. And plus, that's definitely optional, but I just tried to get it to look a little bit more realistic. So now I'm using this gel, my She Is Bum Goo. You get it from Walmart, the hair store, whatever. Just doing that to create some extra dramatic baby hair, because your girl love baby hair, so that step is optional as well. Now let me do the other side. Boom. And there you have it, how to install your wigs from start to finish with baby hair. So now I'm going to go ahead and finish this wig by flat ironing everything. All right, really quick, let's get into the texture of this hair. This hair is almost like a relaxed or some type of kinky straight flat iron hair. As you can see, it has a lot of texture and a lot of body to it as well. It's thick, it's not thin at all. The whole wig from the beginning to the end is thick, nice strands, nice blunt cut. Like, if you're looking for a natural thick wig, this is the wig for you, boo. So let me show you another way that you can wear this hair, which is a side part. So whether you want to switch it up, it takes nothing. See, all I'm doing is just parting my hair in the direction that I want it to go, and just using my wand curlers to flatten it. And in no time, you have your part from a middle part to a side part. And I'm just going in and plucking the side a little bit just to get that natural look that I'm going for. And one last thing that I like to do is take my concealer and go in and define my part, just so you can see it a little bit more, since I didn't add a cap underneath. So if you add a cap, you may not have to do that. And then I actually put a couple more curls in this hair to give it a lot more body. So as you can see here, it has a lot of body. It's giving me natural vibes all over. It's giving me Michelle Obama girl. So it's up to you if you want to wear it straight or if you want to kind of bump your ends. I was feeling it. It looked good. So okay, you guys, I want to show you really quick that this is really a curly wig. However, when you receive it, it will be in the straight texture. So here I'm just wetting one side of my hair to show you how the hair does revert to the natural curls, even though I applied heat to this hair. You guys see me straighten it all, but look at these curls coming through. All I had to do was add water. That's all that's in there. Of course, if you want to add other product, you can. But you can wear this wig either curly or straight how I have it here. So I'm also going to show you guys that the hair straightens as well after you have reverted it back. So I'm just going to blow dry it really quick. And now I'm going in and straightening that same section that I just made curly. And look how the hair is straightening just how it was at the beginning. See that? Looks straight. It's still thick. It haven't lost any of the sheen or luster in the hair. And one more time showing you guys after you apply heat and revert it back that you can get the curls to come back through one more time. But I'm actually going to wear this wig in its natural straight texture. So I did go back in and flat iron the hair. You guys leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about this hair. Let me know what you think about this texture and the quality of this hair, because just from looking at it, it looks amazing. And definitely click the link down below and go and purchase this wig if you are interested. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. Everything about this wig was goals. So yeah.